Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon feedback on your Seller Central profile and how to remove negative feedback. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So I want to explain something before I get into the feedback manager and how to use it. There are two similar concepts that are shown on Amazon Seller Central when you're looking at your brand and your listings. One is customer reviews, and that is reviews of the products you sell. The other one is feedback, and that's feedback about your company. These are different things. Unfortunately, it's easy for we sellers to confuse them, and it's also easy for customers to confuse them. And that's what leads to the situation here where I am requesting Amazon to remove negative feedback on my listing. It's this one right here. This is actually a product review. It should be a customer review, not feedback for my company. And you can actually see my company feedback is pretty good. I mean, it's generally it's positive, and I like that. So this negative one stands out. And Amazon actually, their policy about this, I think, is correct. If somebody places a customer review for a product on your feedback for your company, you can request that it's removed. It's not guaranteed that it will be removed, but you can request it. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to the feedback manager. To do that, go to the menu bars in the upper left corner, go to performance, and then go to feedback. And in my personal opinion, if any Amazon staff are watching this, you should change feedback to feedback about your business. So it's clear that it's not feedback about the product. And then you can scroll through the feedback that you have here. You can see the stats that you have. In general, you can see mine are pretty positive. You can also do this, just select negative, and this will show the negative ones here. So I'm gonna start with this one, which is actually clearly a product review. And under actions, it says choose one. You can request removal as long as the feedback isn't too old. I think the limit is 60, possibly 90 days. So I'm going to request removal and see what happens. Okay, so Amazon tells you Amazon only removes feedback in the following cases: obscene language, seller specific personally identifiable information. So that would be somebody saying, hey, you dropped off the package at the at 33 Main Street at the garage, but you should have actually dropped it off at the front door. So that's an address information of the customer. That shouldn't be included. The entire feedback comment is a product review, and that's the case right here. Strike through feedback if it is regarding fulfillment or customer service for an order fulfilled by Amazon. I don't quite agree with that, and this is usually if it's a late shipment or something like that, because it still kind of makes you look bad, even though Amazon strikes it out. So, did the feedback you receive meet any of the criteria above? And yes, it did, because this is actually an entire feedback comment is a product review. We have reviewed the feedback and found it does not comply with our policies, so we have struck it through. All right. I'd prefer that it's completely removed, but I can live with that. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official blog and website, click on blog or video. I have lots more posts and videos and information about dealing with issues like this. There's no charge to read any of this stuff. I just like to share it with fellow sellers. I try to follow Amazon's rules. I try to run an honest, ethical business. And it's possible to have a good Amazon business, but there are a number of pitfalls you have to be aware of, and that's what these blog posts and videos are all about. Thank you so much for watching.